Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am finally back with another video. I haven't done a video in a minute, you guys, but let's just jump right into it. So right now I'm just putting concealer on my eyes to get a clean base. And today I'm actually going to be using this new eyeshadow palette that I got from Makeup by Yolando on Instagram. It's the Jamrock palette. It's multiple ones, but I showed you guys which one I'm using. The colors in this palette, you guys, it's so creamy, super pigmented. I have never used anything like this. Like, seriously, never used anything like this. But right now I'm just using the color Dolly, which is like this pink color. It's like a darkish pink color, and I'm just using that all over my crease. Next, I'm going to use this color called Natasha, which is a purple color, and I'm just going to go in with that and mix it right along with Dolly. This is like giving me like I don't know, something about the mixture looks so nice together. So I'm just going to blend that all out. Basically, I'm only using these two colors right before I cut the crease, and I'm using the Kat Von D Lock-It concealer. I forgot the name of it, but I think it's something like Whiteout, something like that, but it's just a clean white concealer, and it's really good for cut and crease. Then I'm just gonna set all of that with my Laura Mercier setting powder. This is the translucent one. I only use the translucent one. I know they came out with a bunch of other colors, but yeah, I only use this one. Then I went back in with Dolly again. No, sorry, this is not Dolly. I went back in with Natasha. I finally got the name right. It took me a minute, but yeah. And then I'm just gonna blend that into like the outer corner and just move that in alongside the crease as well. So then I went in with this color called Miriam. You guys, this color is so pigmented. I have never seen anything like this. Like, if you can pick up any colorful palette, go in with this Jamrock palette, the No Limitations palette from Makeup by Yolando. Like, do you guys see that color? Like, do you see that color payoff right now? It's super pigmented. Next, I went in with this bright neon orange color. The color is called Sally. Yeah, Sally. You guys, it's super pigmented. I don't even have to, I feel like I'm repeating myself, but like this palette is incredible. Like, it's just really good. But I'm just going in with that right there, and then I'm gonna use this small dense blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend in all three colors together, so like it doesn't seem so like I just put it there. So I'm just gonna blend all of those three colors together, and then I'm gonna go in and put a black liner. This liner is also from Kat Von D. They have some of the best liners like ever. This is the little sample size, but I'm gonna get the big one day. I don't know, I just keep getting the small sample size ones. So it felt like something was missing, so I decided to go in with the Holy Grail glitter from Violet Voss, and it's like this super beautiful glitter. But anyway, that is it for the eyes. I'm gonna go in now and do my foundation routine. I might film a foundation routine like separate, very detailed, but not for this video. So I'm just gonna let it play, put some music in the background, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and follow me on all my social media. Again, enjoy the rest of the video.